Let's learn with Coco and Crew.
Hey there, Crew! I'm Coco. Today, we're off to the farm. Let's meet some noisy, fluffy, and fun farm animals together.
Cow says moo and gives us yummy milk. Chicken. Chicken says cluck cluck and lays tasty eggs. Pig says oink oink and loves muddy puddles. Sheep says baba and wears a woolly coat. Horse says neigh and gallops super fast. Duck says quack quack and splashes in the pond. Goat says ma and climbs up everything. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo every morning. Donkey says hee-haw and loves to carry loads. Turkey says gobble gobble with funny feathers. Farm cat says meow and keeps the mice away. Farm dog says woof and guards the animals. Goose says honk honk and waddles with pride. Rabbit says hop hop and loves to munch veggies. Llama hums and carries hay with a smile. Yay! What a fun day on the farm. Now you know all the farm animals. Which farm animal is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more fun with Coco and Crew. See you next time. Bye-bye.
That was excellent. See you next time, Crew. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.